हेलो
हाँ सर
हाँ
आपण कोठी टिके अछंती टिके पवन होउची टिके पवन होउची साउंड सुबुची
साउंड सुबुची ए
आज्ञा
फैन टा जो बुलुची सेति नहीं
बोधे हां ठीक है सर चल
फैन टा जो आउ तो किसी साउंड नहीं मु तो रूम रे अछि
अच्छा ठीक है सर
नहीं मैंने कोन माने प्रॉब्लम होची कि माने फैन साउंड टा प्रॉब्लम होची
एटा स्टूडेंट को सर पचरिबे से माने ना चलिबो
अच्छा
आपण କଥା ହେଲା ବେଳେ କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା ନାହିଁ
हाँ हाँ
स्टूडेंट तांकर से सीरियल वाइज आसीबे जे जेमते आसीथिले गला थरक नेक्स्ट क्लास रो गला क्लास सेमते
अच्छा
गोटे आडू आसीबे सेमाने गोटे गोटे आपण खाली नाम लेखिକି तांकर एटा लेखि देथिबे तापर
ठीक है मु हाँ मु तो पेपर गोटे रखी मु तो मन को माने देखिनी किए करनी ना तेनु खाली सेही हिसाब रे मु ये कर देबी माने तांकर नाटा लिखिदेबी पेपर रे लिखिदेले मते भी ଟିକେ सुविधा हो
हां शॉर्ट लेखिदेबे एटी वेरीफाई करदबा
हाँ हाँ
आपण
ठीक
आपण खाली सीरियल नंबर देखि देई देले भी हम ता एपट वेरीफाई करदबा
और
सीरियल
से
नंबर
अनुसार भी
देइकरी
नले वेरीफाई भी ହେଇଯିବ नो
हां
कि
नहीं नहीं आपण सीरियल नंबर देइकरी शॉर्ट रे नाम लिखि देथिबे एटी मो ए
हाँ
करदबा
हाँ हाँ ठीक अछि ठीक अछि ठीक अछि ओके समस्त आसीगलेनी ताले
हां सर प्राय आसीगलेनी सर
आसीगलेनी तो ताले किए
आज्ञा
सीरियल नंबर 1 के ताले
शुभश्री 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 प्रियदर्शन नायक
अच्छा
गुड
ताले
आफ्टरनून
हाँ गुड आफ्टरनून शुभश्री
यस सर
माने टिके जो एनरोलमेंट नंबर टा टिके कह देला
सर
और वंश
200
हाँ 200
200 44
200
44 23278
23278
8 200 44 23278
78
सर
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 मैं भी
हाँ
मिस्टेक
कौन
कर
मो कहया कथा हम पाखे टाइम बहुत कम अछि
हाँ हाँ
आपण रोल नंबर किछ लेखा दरकार नै रोल नंबर मो पाखे सब अछि
अच्छी आपण पाखरे
आपण खाली हां आपण खाली सीरियल नंबर दे देबे
हाँ
आउ शॉर्ट रे तांका नाम लिखि देबे एठी हम वेरीफाई कर देबा
ठीक अछि ताले मु खाली नाटा
आके हम पाखे टाइम नाही ना हमें 2 घंटा भितरे 60
सब
पिलांको
छाड़िया को पड़ियो ठीक
आपण
अछि
मझरे ब्रेक नाही 5टा पंत नै जिबे कंटिन्यू
हाँ हाँ मु नै जिबि किछि ब्रेक नै मु नै जाउची जेतेबेले सरजिवो सरजिवो
आज्ञा आज्ञा आज्ञा
अच्छा ठीक अछि शुभश्री
आज्ञा सर
फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज टू यू
ओके यस
तो
सर
आमर जो प्रैक्टिकल ये आमे जहाँ धर पढ़ी डिस्कशन करथिले जो MLII-104 रे क्लास नेला बेले ऑनलाइन क्लास अटेंड करथिलो तो हाँ तो माने मु जहाँ डिस्कशन करैथिली मु सेई भितरु किछिटा ही पचारि
आगे सर
ता छडा जेमति कि प्रैक्टिकल सिलेबस रे अछि जेमति कि इंटरनेट सर्चिंग ईमेल सर्विस माने
ओके
ईमेल एक्टिविटीज कौन कौन आम ईमेल रे करूचे
यस सर
डाटाबेस एवं डाटाबेस रो पैरामीटर्स ए सब जो जिनस एगुड़ाक ही प्रैक्टिकल रे बेसिकली अछि आमे तो बहुत जिनस डिस्कशन
ओके सर
करैथिले ऑनलाइन क्लास बेले किंतु ए सब सब पिलांग पय मु कहूची खाली तुम पय भी नुहे माने ए सब एक्चुअली ए सब जिनस मा प्रैक्टिकल रे एई 5-6टा एलिमेंट ही अछि तेणु आमको सेई 5-6टा एलिमेंट को
आगे
बेस
सर
करिके आंसर दबा को पड़ियो बा माने किछिटा ए
आगे
करिया को पड़ियो
आगे सर
तो फास्ट ताले तम पय क्वेश्चन मु रखुची व्हाट इज ईमेल ईमेल कहले कोन बुझे
email is email is electronic mail we can send our mail throughout all over the world at any time at any point of time at anywhere
ओके
sir
ओके
am I audible
हाँ हाँ हाँ
okay sir okay sir
ओके ओके you can close your
okay
second one
okay thank you
thank you
sir
शशांक शेखर पुजारी शशांक शेखर
Yes, sir.
पुजारी
Good afternoon, sir.
good afternoon
Namaskar, sir.
namaskar are you ready
Yes, sir.
so what is the activities of email service what activities you can do in email
Sir, we can first of all we can send email, that is electronic mail with email. We can also add some files, folders, and also link to different parts of the body.
yes so another question one second in just for the clarification if you
Yes, sir.
want to send more than one file
Yes, sir.
more than one file or more than 32 MB
Yes, sir.
files so uh, at that time what you can do in email
Sir.
but how you can send all these files all together to a
Yes, sir.
recipient
Sir, we can make it a zip file. First one, we can make it a zip file, or also you can save it as a draft file and send the link, sir.
okay thank you
Okay, sir. Thank you.
thank you next next one serial number 3
विनोद महामान सिंह किशोर महाकुल
Yes, sir.
okay good afternoon
Good afternoon, sir.
so we can discuss here or we can what is a database
Sir, database is data access through computer and save it a separate individual file.
So some example can you say one or two example of database different database not particularly not library and information science if you know some other database also can you please tell one or two examples just like what you can tell any database not in library and information science if you know some other databases from other fields also
Yes, sir. Yeah. C drive, C drive, D drive. Those are all.
no not related to computer C drive D drive I am asking just to discuss not asking just to discuss
Sir.
see while I was taking the class online classes earlier I have discussed so many databases from different fields, like management field, like agriculture field, like multidisciplinary field, and from library and information science field also. I have discussed different databases. Just for example, not I am
Sir.
asking completely, just for example, I have discussed so many databases earlier. So like this, I am not asking from the library and information science field. If you know one or two databases, the name of databases, just for example, can you say, can you share?
No, sir, I have not no any idea. Unfortunately, I was not in that class, sir.
Okay, okay, okay.
Due to
No, no, no
Corona, sir.
problem, no problem. So there is no problem. But I am
Mm-hmm.
asking, so if you are not present during that class, have you got that PowerPoint what I have shared in the group?
No, sir, no. I have not got yet.
Oh, so please ask other friends. They have all other those who have attended the earlier class. They have
Okay,
that
sir.
PowerPoint presentation, and that in that PowerPoint I have already discussed so many things on database management system, and the
Sir,
data structure, data integrity,
sir.
and like this, some other topics are also there.
Okay,
So
sir.
please ask some other friends
Okay, sir. Okay.
who have attended the
I will
class.
collect. I will collect, sir.
Yes, yes. I am asking only for knowledge. You have to get some knowledge. You have to acquire some knowledge. Just for
Okay, sir.
example, while you are appearing the examination, so if that
Mm-hmm.
question arises, so what you have to write something, or you have to tell also something. So
Yes, sir.
after completion of your course, when you are going to appear in the interview, or you are going some written examination, so
Okay,
during
sir.
that period also that question arises.
Okay, sir.
Exactly not that question, but related some questions may arise.
ହଁ ସାର୍ ହଁ ସାର୍ ସେଗୁଡ଼ାକ ତ
So
ପଢ଼ିବୁ ସେଗୁଡ଼ାକ ରହିବ ଆଉ
you have to get some knowledge on that. So
yes,
you please collect those information.
okay sir okay I will collect sir
Okay, okay,
बलराम बारिक
Yes,
बलराम
sir.
बारिक
Yes, sir.
okay. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
So, what is internet? We are using the term internet so many times in our what you can day-to-day life also. Particularly now we are in electronics age of the electronics, and our Prime Minister have already many times he is telling now we are proceeding towards digital India. So
yes
that's why
sir
we are in the age of hello.
Yes, sir.
So we are in the age of internet. We are telling and we are saying we are also uh, in particular in that area. While in smartphone, in office, in everywhere we can access internet so many times,
Yes, sir.
so or frequently. So what do you mean by internet?
Mm, Internet, it will be interconnect the network in the network system to the web server.
Exactly. Internet
It will
is
be
the
it will be
networking
provide
system.
it will be provide all the all overall the information data who need some
So, second question or second one is for you. So, what we can get or what benefit we can get from internet or using internet? What benefit we can get?
sir all type of benefits we are uh,
Like all types of information, all knowns. But
Yes, sir.
like particularly you are a student now, you are
Yes,
studying in
sir.
MLIS course. So what
Yes, sir.
you can get, or what you can get the advantage of using internet.
Sir.
So you have your smartphone.
Yes, sir.
You have in our other classroom also, in some offices there is internet connection nodes, laptops or
Yes,
desktops are there. So if you are
yes,
sitting in front of a computer and that computer is connected with internet, and you
yes,
are
yes.
in the MLIS course.
Sir, if some doubt creates on my mind, I will search it in internet.
Yes, exactly. Just I am asking all type of information means what information we need, what
Yes, yes,
information we require, particularly
yes,
a student requires academic information, or a researcher needs research oriented information. So just like this, so that's why I am asking, you are a student, so what you can get or what the advantage you can find using internet. Okay.
yes,
So for students, it is particularly academic information they can get. All types of
yes,
academic information they can get from using the internet sources.
yes.
Okay,
अभिषेक रथ
thank
Yes, sir.
you.
अ-
Thank you, sir.
अभिषेक रथ अभिषेक रथ सुनीता पलाई सुनीता पलाई शशांक शेखर महापात्र
Yes, sir.
Okay, Sasanga, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
So you please tell what is DBMS?
DBMS,
Huh?
Management
What is full form of DBMS?
Database Management System.
Okay. In that database management system, so
Yes,
if
sir.
I will tell or I will provide you a particular database like Scopus or Science Direct or Agricola or something like this, that I will provide you a database and I will ask you to search
Mm.
in that database. So how you can search? Particularly, just for example, you just tell me what you want to search. What you want to search? ତମେ ଏବେ ମାଇଣ୍ଡରେ କ'ଣ ଖେଳୁଛି ଯେ ତମେ କ'ଣ ଖୋଜିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛ? ଏନି ଯେକୌଣସି ଖାଲି ଏକାଡେମିକ ପାଠ ବୋଲି ନୁହେଁ, ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ମାନେ ଜଷ୍ଟ ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ଆସ୍କିଂ ଜଷ୍ଟ ଫର ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ପଲ ଯେ ଏବେ
Yes.
ତମେ ମାନେ କ'ଣ ଆଇଦର କ୍ରିକେଟ, ଫୁଟବଲ କି ଅନ୍ୟ କିଛି ଯୋଉ ମାନେ ଯେକୌଣସି ମାନେ ଯାହାବି କ୍ରିକେଟ ବିଷୟରେ ହଉ, ଫୁଟବଲ ବିଷୟରେ ହଉ କି ତମର ଏକାଡେମିକ ବିଷୟରେ ହଉ ବା ଯେକୌଣସି କ'ଣ ଏବେ କ'ଣ ମାଇଣ୍ଡରେ ଖେଳୁଛି ଯେ ତମେ କ'ଣ ଚାହୁଁଛ ଗୋଟେ ଡାଟାବେସ ରେ ସର୍ଚ୍ଚ କରିବା ପାଇଁ?
Database. ଯାହା ଡାଉଟ୍ ଥିବ ସାର୍ ସର୍ଚ୍ଚ କରିବା ପାଇଁ।
ନା ମୁଁ ସେ ଭିତରକୁ ଯାଉନି, ମୁଁ ଜଷ୍ଟ ଫର ମାନେ ଜଷ୍ଟ ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ଆସ୍କିଂ ୟୁ ଯେ ହ୍ୱାଟ term or what topic now plays in your mind, so what you want to particularly search on that area in a
Library.
data library science.
Yes.
Okay, if you want to find some materials or some documents or some information on library science, if I will provide you a database, suppose Scopus, I provide you Scopus database which is available in your system, and Scopus is open in your system. Then I will ask you to search library science or library and information science in that in that data within that database. So how you can proceed? What is the procedure to carry on your searching? So what you will do first? ମୁଁ ତମକୁ ଡାଟାବେସ୍ ଦେଇଦେଲି, ସ୍କୋପସ୍ ଡାଟାବେସ୍ ତମ ସିଷ୍ଟମରେ ଅନ୍ ହେଇଗଲା, ସ୍କୋପସ୍ ଡାଟାବେସ୍ ର ତା ଡିଫଲ୍ଟ ପେଜ ଖୋଲିଲା, तुमको तमे कहले जे मु लाइब्रेरी एंड इन्फॉर्मेशन साइंस विषय रे मु किछि खोजिबाकू चाहूची बा किछि मु ये करबाकू चाहूची तो तुम सामने रे स्क्रीन अछि तुम सामने रे स्कोपस डाटाबेस अछि तमे भी बसिछ तमे चाहूचो लाइब्रेरी साइंस रो किछि खोलिबा पई बा चाहू कोन क्वेरी करिया पई बा खोजिबा पई तो फास्ट ऑफ ऑल तमे कोन करियो माने कोन स्टेप रे जीवो होची डाटाबेस सर्चिंग पई
जଣା नहीं से
जणन नहीं मु जेतेले क्लास नइथिली सेतेले क्लास अटेंड करथिला या
कौन
पूर्व जो माने ऑनलाइन क्लास थिला दीटा 104 रो अटेंड कर नथिला
ना कौन नहीं से
सेति पई असुविधा हो एटा सब करियो ना नकले कि जानिमो जिंस पाठटा को एते हल्का भाबरे नेले कोन हुए हौ ओके नेक्स्ट वन
Sir, you leave me.
Subhashish Punda.
यस सर सर गुड आफ्टरनून सर
गुड आफ्टरनून okay you please tell what is metadata
metadata sir metadata is the
tell don't worry tell what you माने कोन तम माइंड रे आसुची बा ये करची just tell no problem
sir metadata is the basic data of the
हां
database
हां okay carry on
the basic data of the database
हां exactly माने काई डरछो काई मो के त जमा ओरिडी हो ना माने जहा भी माइंड रे आसुची बा जहा भी जानिछ सेटा माने जो ये रे कॉन्फिडेंटली को एमती डरिले कि नर्वस हेले किछि नर्वस हबार भी किछि माने कारण नै ओके सो व्हाट इज मेटाडाटा तमे कहला जे डाटा ऑफ डाटाबेस ओके दिस इज सम एक्सटेंट इट इज करेक्ट so in a single term when we can tell the data of data is called metadata okay so data of data is called metadata so if I will provide you some data
yes sir
I will provide you some data like your name your date of birth your telephone number your address something like this so I will provide you some data so how can you prepare a file
sir first put them in the byte format then bit format
okay
then a field then file then database
okay नहीं जस्ट ये तो पूरा प्रोसीजर टा कह देलो ओके ठीक अछि ता माने पढिछ ठीक भाबरे सेटा को तो मु एते बहुत आगु को जाउ नथली मु जस्ट आई एम आस्किंग यू जे इफ आई विल प्रोवाइड यू सम डाटा so how can you prepare a file how can you prepare a file
sir I can prepare in the excel sheet or what a sheet
ओके ठीक अछि काहे कि ना एटा होची मोने मु कहयार कथा होची जे ऑल डाटा अवेलेबल विथ यू टेकिंग टुगेदर all the data you can create a file in one file all data can be stored okay this is the procedure or this is the system okay thank you next one
Subhendu Sahu.
Subhendu
Sahu.
good afternoon
Yes, sir.
okay
Sir, my serial number is passed out. You leave me.
Sir. Good afternoon, sir. Please.
huh so what are the types of database
Types of database.
how many types are there if we are asking we are talking about database so how many types are there in a database how many how we can divide the databases
Sir, we can divide the database into 3 to 4 categories are there.
Okay.
Sir,
Okay.
one is relational database. So one is object-oriented database. Other two, other two, sir, I don't remember.
No. Actually, these things, okay, you have remembered these things. That's okay. That's fine. But these are datas. These are different forms of datas. But
Okay, sir.
database, I am asking what types of database are there. So database, on while we are coming to database, there are 3 types of database.
Okay, sir.
Okay, one is catalog database, second one is bibliographic database, and third one is referral database.
Okay, sir.
These 3 are different types of database. You have remembered all those things. That's fine. But what you have told, those things are different forms of data.
Okay, sir.
माने डाटा को आमे केमती स्टोर करि पारुछु बा को वे रे बा को फॉर्म रे आमे स्टोर करूछु, ऑब्जेक्ट फॉर्म रे, टेबल फॉर्म रे, ग्राफ फॉर्म रे, जे टेक्स्ट फॉर्म रे, ये जो डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स ऑफ डाटा, दोज आर द डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स ऑफ डाटा. But
yes,
in the database, only 3 types of databases are there.
Yes, sir. In database.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Babita Rona.
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
So, you please tell, in email service, while you are sending a email to your friend or in official purpose or in something else.
Yes, sir.
So, how you can attach a file? What is the procedure to attach a file in the email service?
Sir, first we go through the Gmail, or
okay.
we go through the Gmail and type the message.
Yes.
Then I type the select it and send back, send through the address.
Address, in that address you can send, but how you can attach a file? You have written there, the box is there, you have to write some things in that box. But if you want to attach a separate file which you have prepared earlier, or that so many things or so many information in a particular page, like a 4 size page 1, word folder, word file or Excel files like this, or PDF file or PowerPoint. So something is there, you want to attach that file and in that mail and to send your friend or to send in official purpose. So how can you select, how can you find that file where it is available in your system and how to attach?
Sir, mainly we send the mail through the Word or so we select the Word file.
That is the process. You have to go to that file where it is created or where it is stored within your computer, in which folder or in which drive. Just before, if you have heard some other student, he was telling a C drive, D drive or E drive like this. So in our computers, our files have been stored in C, not C, in D or E or F drive like this. And within those drives, we have to create some folders. Within that folder, some files are being stored. So if you want to find a file and to email or to attach that file with your email to send someone, then you have to find that file through that database particularly, and you have to go to that drive, E drive or D drive or F drive. You have to find that file and you have to attach, and attach option is there in your email. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Attach option is there. You have to find that attach option is there. When you will click on that attach option, that then that will show you where your file is stored or which file you want to attach. Then you will go to that file and click on that file. Then that file will be automatically attached to your mail.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Jogeshwar
sir.
Bishi. Jogeshwar Bishi.
Yes,
Our
sir.
serial number will be crossed.
Yes, sir.
Jogeshwar.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. So,
Sir.
You are sitting in front of a computer.
Yes, sir.
Internet connection is there.
Yes, sir.
And you want to find some information from the internet.
Yes, sir.
So, how can you proceed?
I will just type the keyword in Google search engine, and
Okay.
after typing the keyword, the first I will search for the authentic source, which will be
Okay.
number of websites will be displayed in the screen, and
Okay.
I will have to choose the best one, which will be the authentic source, and the
Okay.
first
Okay.
website which is seen is always in most of the time is the authentic source.
Okay. Okay. So, in internet sources,
Yes, sir.
different sources are there available in the internet.
Yes, sir.
If you want to become a member of any particular group,
Yes, sir.
so how can you become a member of any group available in the internet sources?
If I want to become a member of any group,
Yes.
then I will go through the privacy policy available in this website, and
Yes.
then uh, if I satisfy with their policy, then I will click on the link which is provided by
Yes.
them,
Okay.
and verify the same by login to my email ID.
Okay. 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 Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Next.
Bibhu Prasad Tande. Bibhu Prakash Tande. Nibedita Bhuya.
Yes, sir. Good, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yes, sir.
Am I audible to you?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. So, in library and information science,
Yes, sir.
what you feel, what you can say about index? What is index?
Sir, index is a file.
Index.
Hello.
Kuandu.
Sir, index is a file in which each entry consists of a data.
Which data? Data in index we can store data, but particularly index बोली कहले आमे कौन बुझे? Just for example, in a book, गोटे बही रे जदि आमे जिबा एग्जांपल हिसाब रे गोटे बही को नबा, बही रो इंडेक्स को आमे जिबा सर्च करिबा पई जदि आमे जो भाबुचे बा कदि कहउचे, तो इंडेक्स कहले आमे कौन बुझुचे?
Sir, first page re we shall see the index in the before after cover page.
हाँ.
Where we can see everything which contain in book, we can go through by index.
Exactly. Through the index we can find what the terms are used in the different topics of that book, or what
Yes.
words, particularly what different words which are written alphabetically.
Yes.
Okay, if we feel some problem or trouble while using that book, then we can find or we can go for that term particularly which is available in the index.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so index is a alphabetically arranged terms. Which terms? Now those terms are used within that book itself.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
and in
Yes,
a
sir.
single term, index is particularly a bibliography.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Next,
विभू प्रकाश तांडे विभू प्रकाश तांडे
Sir, my serial number
hello.
5, sir.
ସାର୍ ଏ ତାଙ୍କ ପୂର୍ବଟା ଥିଲା ସାର୍
हाँ हाँ
ଏ ବିଭୁ ପ୍ରକାଶ ଆଙ୍କର ପୂର୍ବଟା ଥିଲେ ତ ଆବସେଣ୍ଟ ଥିଲେ ତ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଥଣ୍ଡା
हाँ हाँ ठीक अच्छे ना सी तो अनम्यूट माने म्यूट हाँ ओके अनम्यूट करो हाँ
सर मोर सीरियल नंबर जाई सारलानी कि और नेहा पटनायक
नहीं नहीं डाकिबे डाकिबे सार अछंती सेठी
ନେହା ପଟ୍ଟନାୟକ ତମର 5ଟା ବେଳକୁ ଆସିବ 4:30 ପରେ ହେଲା ତମର ଲାଷ୍ଟରେ ଅଛି
Excuse me, sir.
ओके थैंक यू
Excuse me, sir.
Sir, Vivu Prakash Pandey, sir.
हाँ विभू गुड
Hello.
आफ्टरनून
आज्ञा नमस्कार sir. Good afternoon, sir.
हाँ सुबिला तो हेलो
हाँ sir, शुभुची sir.
हाँ so please tell me what is binary search in a database system.
Binary search searching by code, that is 0 1 code.
No, 0 and 1 are the binary digits, but in database searching,
Okay.
while coming to the database, these are the binary digits which are being used in
Okay.
computers for creation of different files or folders. That is different thing. I am not asking on that topic. Particularly while we are searching database or we are going through any database, so within that database, what we mean on binary search. Can you tell any meaning of what is Boolean search?
Binary from a
Some problem is there. Your voice is not audible. Okay, next one.
ସୌରଭ ଛତ୍ରିଆ सोनालिका पाणिग्राही संजय कुमार पृष्टे
Yes, sir.
Okay, are you there? Sanjay, good afternoon.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Okay.
Good afternoon, sir. Sonalika Panigrahi, sir.
Okay, just I am coming to Sonalika. Sanjay, please wait. After that, I will come to you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good
So
afternoon, sir.
please tell what is a compound query in database.
Compound query, sir.
If we are going to search a database,
Yes, sir.
within that database we have to search our different information or different data which are available within that database. So if we are going to search some information, so
So
if
compound query means more than one compound
yes, more
query.
than one element is called compound
Yes, sir.
So in that compound query, in
Yes,
the
sir.
compound query, while we are going to ask some questions to their database, while
Yes,
I
sir.
will ask some questions to their database, then that database will provide the answer or the information what I am asking or what I need. So within that, when we are going to ask some questions to the database, so in relation to that query, I am asking what is the compound query, on which term in compound query means what you can add to that query. Since we will tell these are compound query.
We can add the compound operate the compound queries.
ନା ମାନେ
So
ମୋର
sir,
କହିବାର କଥା ହଉଛି ଯେ ମୁଁ ଯଦି ହେଲେ ଜଣକୁ ଡାକିଲି ସୋନାଲିକା, ତ ସୋନାଲିକା ଇଜ ଦି ନେମ୍ ଅଫ ଏ single man or single person. So while I will go to combine two names at a time, Sonalika and some other name with that, then it will become a compound.
yes, sir.
Okay, so like this, when we are going to ask some question to the database, if I will ask library, then it is a simple or single. It will not a compound. So if I will go for a compound query or compound search, so what I can do or what I have to do there?
Sorry, sir.
Very simple. While I am going to ask compound query to the database, I will add one more term. I am going to search on library and information science. I told earlier, just for example, on library, that is single term. If I will put the term library within that database, then the information whatever will be retrieved, those information will be on only library. If I will add information science with library and information science,
Yes, sir.
two terms are there. So what information or what data will be retrieved from database, that will be combined both information including library and information science. So this is the compound query. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
okay. Thank you.
Thank
Next,
you. Thank you.
Yes, sir. This is Sanjay Kumar Pushti, sir.
Sanjay
Good
Prusti.
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Then you please tell
Yes, sir.
how you will create your email account in the internet.
Okay, sir.
Just for example,
First,
either
I
Yahoo Mail or Gmail
okay,
or
sir.
Reddit Mail or Hotmail, whatever it may be. So how you
Uh,
can create one email account for you.
okay, sir. First, I am going to the Gmail and
Yes.
sign up and log in there and
Uh,
put my name and my surname and username and give a username at the gmail.com or etc.
okay.
and give a mobile number and then um, accept the term and condition of Gmail and create my Google account.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Next,
ଭବେଶ କୁମାର ସାହୁ, ଭବେଶ କୁମାର ସାହୁ, ସଞ୍ଜୟ କୁମାର ପ୍ରଧାନ, ସଞ୍ଜୟ କୁମାର ପ୍ରଧାନ,
Sir, ମୋର ଗଲା ସଞ୍ଜୟ କୁମାର ପୃଷ୍ଟି sir.
ଭବେଶ କୁମାର ସାହୁ,
Yes, sir. Sir.
good afternoon, Bhavesh.
Good afternoon, sir.
So
Sir?
just I am asking you, how you will select a database, how you will select a database or any site while you are searching in internet. What is the procedure? What is the steps? And in which steps you will proceed to search a database or any other internet sources, particularly
Yes, sir. I have to
available
type
in
the
the.
keyword. I have to type the keyword in search function where for what I have to type, and then next search option is after that it's data. It's a number of data provided. Then I have to click on to enter the
Okay,
details.
okay. Thanks. Next.
सर मोर
संजय
सीरियल
कुमार
नंबर गलानी कि
संजय कुमार साहू संजय कुमार
हाँ
प्रधान संजय कुमार प्रधान आशुतोष पुजारी
Yes, sir.
आशुतोष
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. মানে please tell what is the procedures or what are the steps to create a database.
First, sir, to the Google, and after that I will go to the MySQL database, and then create an account, uh, uh, names, field of organization. Then I will select which type of information are stored in that database, and the different aspects of the data will be stored in the database.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Next.
सोनम अभिषिका श्रीपुरा प्रियदर्शिनी जेना.
Yes, sir. Tripura Priyadarshini Jena.
Okay. Good afternoon, Sripura.
Good afternoon, sir. Namaskar, sir. Hello.
Hello.
Again, sir. Namaskar.
Namaskar. Okay. Please tell what is internet.
Sir, internet is a electronic media, sir, which can shortage, sir, the mail and Gmail and the email, that type of internet are used, and all type of mobile, just like Google Net, internet, and Google Map also have a electronic media.
Okay. So what is Google?
Sir, Google is all type of searchable devices which can also provide the World Wide Web, just like said.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Next.
राधानाथ राउत अंशुमान बारिक.
Yes, sir.
राधानाथ राउत.
Okay. Good afternoon, Radhanath. Hello. ଶୁଭୁଛି ମୋ କଥା?
Sir.
Okay. So please tell what is a search engine, or just name one or two search engine you know. Hello. Some problem is there, I think.
System. Yes. Sir.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. ଶୁଭିଲା.
Sir. Sir, search engine, we find some data or information in the website. which we do as an example binary search and Boolean search, maybe other search, Google search, etc.
Okay. Okay. Next. Thank you.
Anshuman Barik.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Yes, sir.
Anshuman Barik.
Good afternoon,
Yes, sir. Yes,
Anshuman.
sir. Very good afternoon, sir.
So the same question is to you.
Yes,
The
sir.
same question. What is search engine? And just for example, you please tell one or two the name of the search engine. What is search engine?
So search engines are the web server in which we explore our required or needed data.
Information. Okay. Just I am asking you, just for example, you don't be so nervous or so serious. This is very simple questions and you just render it through your mind and you can get the appropriate answer. Okay. Just I am asking what is search engine? While you are searching in Google, while you are searching in Yahoo, while you are searching in Rediff, or while you searching in MSN, or what platform is available for us?
Sorry, sir. Question.
So in
what priority, sir? Sir, outer question कहबो.
ना question मु कहली जे what do you mean by search engine and just tell one or two names just for example, but just as an example, the one or two names of the search engine.
Yes.
Okay, you are telling the search engine is the different platforms where you can put your question and you can find your adequate or required information from that source. That is search engine. Okay, that is fine. But just for example, your Google is one of the search engine, Yahoo is one of the search engine, Rediff is also one of the search engine. So these are all platforms available in the internet. Those are different search engines. But while we are going to the database system, while we will go to the database system or database, then the databases are those are not free or those are not freely available. These things are freely available to you or to any users. Okay, the MSN service, the Rediff service, the Yahoo service, or the Google service, all these things are available freely to the society. You have to pay the internet cost, that different thing. Okay, but these are freely available within the internet. But while we are going to the database, particularly database system, the databases are not free, but those are not free to use. We have to buy, or some organizations or different organizations have to buy those database to facilitate their users within their premises, not for the outsiders.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so while we are going to the database, then that within that database there are different search engines, or like just earlier someone was telling the Boolean search is there, and or not, just all those things are there. And while we are going to compound query, then information and library science is there, or what other terms are also be there. But these databases are not freely available to the society, or we cannot access freely to all the databases. But the search engines, what just for example I am telling, Yahoo, MSN, Reddit, Google, and so on. Some other search engines are there also, but they are available freely to the society.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Next one.
Osesha Samuel. Osesha Samuel.
Sir.
Okay, good
sir,
afternoon.
Good afternoon. Sir, good afternoon, sir.
Okay. Just tell, how can you attach a file in your email while you are sending that information
Sir,
to you?
Sir, open the Google Chrome, then open your mail, compose, then attachment file. Click on the attachment file, then file find, put your email ID and then send.
Okay. Okay. So you please tell another thing. What is data retrieval?
Data retrieval. Nice.
Okay. Thank you.
Sir.
Next.
Manaswini Ponda, Afsana Begum.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Okay. Good afternoon. Please tell what do you mean by data retrieval?
Sir,
What is data retrieval?
data retrieval means obtaining data from a database management. Sir, it considered the data is represented in a structured way and there is no ambiguity in data. Sir,
So what do you mean by multi-user access? Okay, that's fine. First question is fine. First answer is fine. Then second one, you please tell what is multi-user access, or what do you mean by multi-user access? Hello. Hello.
sir, am I audible to you, sir?
Yeah, now it is audible. Please tell.
Yes, sir. Multi-user data is a computer software accessed by multiple user of a computer, time sharing system,
Okay.
processing system for sir.
Okay. That's fine. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Next.
Swarup Kumar Sahu.
Sir, yes, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
So please tell what is data integrity?
जबरदस्त दो
Sir?
क्वेश्चन छोटा है यार
Hello.
So, what is data integrity? What do you mean by data integrity?
Sir, no idea actually.
Okay, next one. You are searching in internet. Internet is with you. You have
Sir.
smartphone with you, and you are searching internet for different information.
Sir.
Okay. So in searching facility, how you are able, or how you can find any required information or any authentic information for you using internet? What is the procedure? How you can proceed?
Sir, actually, there is a search engine called Google. We open the Google and put in what we actually want to the information. Accordingly, the Google provide us uh, information to the user. What
Uh-huh.
actually user wants.
In which formats that data or information, what you can say, is available in different platforms like Google, Yahoo, or Reddit. In
Which
which
format? Binary?
in which format all those data are available in that platform?
Binary format, sir.
In which format? Particularly data are available. You are asking Google. What
Sir.
you are asking regarding any information?
Sir.
You are just putting some query or some keywords within that Google box, search engine box, and then you are getting some information.
Sir.
That is text information. While
Sir.
you are asking for any object or any image or any graph or any some other yeah. So these are the different forms of the data available
Sir.
in those platforms.
Sir.
Okay,
Sir.
some graph is there, some text is there, some picture is there. So these are the
Sir.
different forms of the data available in those platforms. Okay, thank you.
Sir.
Manospin Panda. Manospin Panda.
Yes, sir.
ମନସ୍ପିନ ପଣ୍ଡା ମନସ୍ପିନ ପଣ୍ଡା 2 ଜଣ ଅଛ।
ହଁ
ତମର
ସାର୍ ଡ୍ରପ୍ ଅଛି
ତମର 106 ଲାଷ୍ଟ କୁ ତ ସେ ରୋଲ ନମ୍ବର।
ହଁ ସାର୍ ହଁ।
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
ଆଚ୍ଛା 106 2 ଜଣ ମନସ୍ୱିନୀ ପଣ୍ଡା ଅଛନ୍ତି।
ହଁ ସାର୍।
ଓକେ। So please tell the different elements of database customization in which forms, that means in which forms you can store the data in a database. What is the necessary elements?
In file, by using file,
One is file, then
record,
records,
then field,
fields,
then byte, then bit.
bit. Okay. So another thing, please tell what is data retrieval?
Data retrieval means it retrieves the data which also partial match with the user's requirement.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Next.
ଦୀପକ କୁମାର ମହାପାତ୍ର। ଦୀପକ କୁମାର ମହାପାତ୍ର। ଐଶ୍ୱର୍ଯ୍ୟା ହୋତା।
Yes, sir.
ଐଶ୍ୱର୍ଯ୍ୟା ହୋତା।
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon, Aishwarya.
Good afternoon, sir.
So please tell, what do you mean by multi-user access?
Sir, multi-user access means in internet, more than one user is used in
Can access the data at a time. Okay.
yes,
माने एका संगरे जदि एक रो अधिका यूजर एक्सेस करूचंती तो दैट इज द मल्टी यूजर एक्सेस. ओके. सो second thing, just tell one or two name of the database available in the society, or we are using the different databases. Just tell one or two database, the name of one or two database. You know what type, the name of the databases you know, in agriculture field, in scientific field, in engineering field, or in health science field, or, general field, multidisciplinary field. The different databases are there. We are using different databases for our academic purpose, also in a research purpose, and some like this. So can you please tell one or two names of databases? नहीं मन पड़नी. Okay. Thank you.
ज्योतिरंजन बेहरा, रंजित कुमार पात्र.
सर नमस्कार.
नमस्कार. माने first question is just tell one or two names of different databases.
Sir, different database are sir Science Direct for science, and for science multidisciplinary, and PubMed for sir medicine. Sir. Sir, PubMed for medicine and Science Direct for multidisciplinary, sir.
Okay. So what is metadata?
Sir,
what do you mean by metadata?
Sir, metadata is the data about the data, sir. Data of data is called as metadata, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Good.
रंजित कुमार पात्र.
हाँ सर, नमस्कार सर.
Okay, namaskar. So please tell what is data integrity? What do you mean by data integrity?
Sorry sir, I can't hear.
So what is the full form of RAID? RAID in database system. What is the full form of RAID? RAID.
Sir, RFID, sir?
RAID. RAID.
Oh.
We have discussed in our class. Okay. So please tell what
Radio
is index. What
sir?
do you mean by index?
Index in the sense divide the documents in a proper way.
No, not in proper way. Just you think on a book. Just you think
yes.
on a book. If you will go through a book, in the
Yes,
last
sir.
of the book, there is some index.
Yes, sir.
Particularly in a book, in the last part of a book, there is index. So what does that mean? What index is? So what is the meaning of index? And you have seen the DDC?
Sir. Yes, sir.
In our BLIS, while you are doing your classification, the DDC is there.
Debate decimal classification.
DDC schedule is there. So,
yes,
so which schedule you have followed? 22nd or 23rd or which one?
19th edition, sir.
Or 19th edition you have followed. Okay. In 19th edition, how many parts are there? The DDC schedule is divided into how many parts? So how many books? Particularly DDC 19th edition combined how many books?
Sorry, sir. Now I can not recall that.
Recall that. So in 19th edition, that there are three parts. First one and second one covers all your subject part, and third one itself is the index. So in that schedule also we have come across the index, and in book also, in the last part of a book there is index. So index is nothing. All other students are also listening, so that's why I am describing or discussing these terms. So the index is a alphabetically arranged terms which are used in a book within different chapters. If some problem arises while coming through that books, if we will face a problem or we will face some problem on a particular term, then we have to go to the index and search that index alphabetically where it is available, and when after getting that term within the index, then the side of that term or the word page number is also there, and referring that page number, we have to go to the same page of the book where the term is elaborated and described and the meaning is mentioned. So this is called index. Index is a alphabetically arranged different terms which are used in a book, and in schedule also the same thing. All these terms used in the schedule or in the subject part all are arranged in a alphabetical order in the third part of 19th edition DDC. So that is the index. We can tell that the index is like this, but the meaning of index is this. Okay. Thank you. Next.
Okay, thank you.
विश्वजीत नायक, विश्वजीत नायक, राजकिशोर साहू, राजकिशोर साहू, सौम्यराणी परिड़ा.
Good afternoon, sir. Biswajit Naik, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Vishwajit.
Yes, sir.
Please tell how you will create your email account.
I will use a domain email provider like a Gmail or Yahoo. Or I will go to Gmail. Then there I will tap on create an email account. And there I will provide my details like mobile numbers, names, and choose a username for me. Then by accepting all the terms and conditions of Gmail, I will create my email account.
Okay. If you are going to send some files to your recipient or to your friend or to your knowing person or some other persons like this, you are going to send some files. So up to what data or up to what uh, how many files are containing how much data you can send within a file or within a mail. So what is the limit? What is the limit of a mail to accept the data? And beyond that, you cannot send in simple mail. You have to zip those files, or you have to send to Google Drives. So what is the limitation?
32 MB, sir.
32 MB. Okay, thank you. Very good. Okay. Thanks. Next. Next.
Hello.
Sommarani Parida. Okay. Please tell how do you use the internet, or how or what purpose you are using internet?
Internet is a networking connectivity service that provides us so many information about the world, all over the world, and internet service helps us to downloading the files, discussion at the brief, the and,
Okay. Can you name one or two database? Can you tell the name of one or two database?
so MySQL, then MySQL, sir, it is also a database, right?
Which one?
SQL.
Hello. Hello.
MySQL. Hello.
Hello. Subhuji.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Something is wrong. Something wrong is there. The networking problems I think. Okay. Next. Thank you.
दीपक कुमार साहू.
Sir Deepak Kumar Sahu.
Okay. Deepak, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
So the same question to you. Please tell the examples of different databases or the name of the different databases we are using in different fields.
Sir, DBMS or Oracle database, Microsoft Microsoft SQL, structured query language database.
So those are all languages. Okay, I am not asking. I am just asking to tell some examples or the names of different databases we are using in different fields, particularly in academic field, in research field, or in agriculture field, or in scientific field, or in engineering field. The name of different databases. What you are telling, those are different languages. Using those languages, we are creating or we are developing different databases. Okay,
Yes,
those
sir.
are different languages.
Sir, Sodh Gangotri, E-Patshala.
South Ganga is also one of the database. South Gangotri is also another of these are different databases we are using within our field.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
thank you.
Yes, sir.
Next.
नेक्स्ट सर स्मितांजलि दास. नेक्स्ट जी अछन ना देह प्रॉब्लम अछि जनकर. तापर नेक्स्ट देखुची स्मितांजलि दास.
स्मितांजलि दास.
अश्विनी कुमार साहू. अश्विनी कुमार साहू.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Ashwini.
Yes,
So,
sir.
what is bibliographic database?
Bibliography database is a database of bibliographic data. That means in a year, there are many books published in a year. So you can store at that database, bibliography databases.
Okay, something. Well, somehow it is correct, but last part you are telling that is different. Okay. What you first part is okay. Then in bibliographic database, can you find a full text article?
Text.
The
No,
full
we
text.
cannot find.
Okay, that's you are telling the second part while you are telling the different books are published in a year and we are going to store all these books within a database. So that part is completely wrong.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
bibliographic database means only bibliographic data is available regarding any book, any journal.
yes sir. ये शॉर्ट इसका उसका डिटेल्स होगा. डिटेल्स में उसका जो
ओडिया रे भी कुह चलिबो.
नेम ऑफ द बुक्स एंड देयर कॉल नंबर्स एंड
No. The bibliographic data means only the details regarding any book or journal, or what articles or what complete chapters are available within a book, or what articles are published in a journal. Those things are available. But
Hmm.
while you are going to search a particular article, then you
Hmm.
cannot find the full text of that article available in a bibliographic database.
Uh,
So only
only
information.
brief description.
Yes, only complete information on that article is available. But the full text of
Complete
that article
information.
is not available in a bibliographic
Sir,
database.
I am going. I want to say this thing.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay. Thank you. Next one.
Satyashri Das. Satyashri Das.
Yes, sir.
Good
Satyashri
afternoon,
Das. Good
Satyashree.
afternoon. Very good afternoon, sir.
So please tell, what is referral database?
Sir?
What is referral database? What do you mean by referral database?
Sir, this type of databases offers reference to information or data such as names and addresses of organizations and other directed types of data.
Okay.
And numeric databases which contain numerical data of different types of such as satisfies and survey data.
Okay. What is the full form of RAID in database system? RAID, RAID.
Redundant array of inexpensive. Redundant.
Okay. 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 Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome. Thank you. Thank you.
Next.
Nivedita Mishra.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Oh, good afternoon, Nivedita.
Good afternoon, sir.
So please tell, what do you mean by index?
Index is an internet tool, sir.
Index is an internet tool. Okay. What do you mean by binary search? In database system, what do you mean by binary search?
No, sir.
No. So can you name one or two example of database?
Database.
Just one or two name of different database.
Bibliographical database. Object oriented database.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Next.
Sunita Mishra. Sunita
Yes,
Mishra.
sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Sunita.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Please tell, what do you mean by internet?
Good.
Sir, internet is a vast network that connects to computers all over the world, in which we can search anything
Anything means what?
over the network.
What do
Internet.
you mean by anything?
Anything means
That creates a problem.
what we
That
want, just like
particular that term creates the problem. You can find anything. Anything means what? What you are what do you want to relate? Anything means what you can find. So you have just to tell one or two or four examples. You have not to tell the anything. You have to tell some names, particularly academic information or research oriented information or
yes,
personal
sir.
information. like this, you have not to tell anything. Everything is available in internet. We all of us who know. But while you are going to answer some things, you have not to tell the anything. Anything, that what does it mean? Anything. So you have to just say one or two or four names, like academic or research or institutional or organizational or personal. Some people are creating their personal blogs and different on their blogs or some information is also there. So you have to tell personal information, institutional information, or academic information, or research oriented information, like this. You have not to tell anything. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Next.
Yes, sir.
हेमलता खंडपत्र हेमलता खंडपत्र अजित कुमार प्रधान हेमलता खंडपत्र म्यूट अछि तमर म्यूट अछि हेमलता म्यूट अछि
Sir, good afternoon, sir. Sir, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Okay. Please tell how to create your email account in a email platform. What is the procedure? What the different steps, and how you have to prepare create your email account?
Sir, ମୁଁ ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ କହିପାରିବି?
ହଁ କୁହ କୁହ।
ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଗୁଗଲକୁ ଯିବେ sir. ଗୁଗଲରେ ଇମେଲ ମାରିବେ। ଇମେଲ ସର୍ଚ୍ଚ କରିସାରିଲା ପରେ ସେଥିରେ କ୍ରିଏଟ୍ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ ଯିବେ। ନେମ୍ ଦେବେ, ମୋବାଇଲ ନମ୍ବର ଦେବେ, ଦେନ୍ ପାସୱାର୍ଡ।
Okay. Next, after creating your Gmail account or any email account, you want to share some information to your friend through your email. So how you will send? How you will?
Sir,
ନା ମୁଁ କହିଲି ଯେ ତମର पर्सनल अकाउंट क्रिएट ହେଇଗଲା ତ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ କ୍ରିଏଟ୍ ହେଲା ପରେ ତମେ ତମର ଜଣେ ସାଙ୍ଗ ପାଖକୁ କୌଣସି ଗୋଟେ ଇନଫର୍ମେସନ ସେୟାର କରିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛ through your email. So how you can share?
ତ ଇମେଲ କୁ ଓପନ କଲା ପରେ ଦେନ୍ ସେଥିରେ ମାନେ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ଲେଖା ହବ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ପରେ କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟର ଆସିବ ସେଠି ଆଟାଚ ଫାଇଲ ଥିବ ଆଟାଚ ଫାଇଲ ଯାହା ସେୟାର କରିବା କଥା ତ ସେଇଥିରେ ସେୟାର କରିବା ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ କି ଆଉ ଫଟୋଗ୍ରାଫ ଏନିଥିଙ୍ଗ।
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
अजित कुमार प्रधान
Sir, Ajit Kumar Pradhan, sir.
Okay, good afternoon, Ajit.
Sir, namaste, sir.
Okay, good afternoon, Ajit. Namaste.
Good afternoon, sir.
Namaste. While you are receiving any information or email from your friends or some other source, so after receiving a mail in your inbox, if some files are attached, then how to extract or how to retrieve those files in through your email?
We have find that file, open the email box and inbox. Then we have know that what type of which type of file, like say Word file, Excel, PDF, or JPG or RAR file. If those files are RAR files, then we have download this file as a local disk and we have extract or dearchive. If file is archived, then dearchive and open it.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Next one.
गणेश प्रसाद सिंह
Okay. Thank you. Next one.
Thank you.
गणेश प्रसाद
Sir, very good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon. So what do you mean by data retrieval?
Sir, data retrieval is the process, is the find out the wanting data from the
Okay.
database. to
Very good, very good.
fulfill the demand of the
Ve-
user, as per the demand of the user.
So very good, very good. What is the full form of DBMS?
Sir, database management system, sir,
Okay,
DBMS.
okay. What do you mean by multi-user access in a database?
Sir, in a certain time period, more than one user can be accessed to a computer at a time.
Okay, thank you, thank you. Very good.
Most welcome, sir.
Next.
ବିନୋଦିନୀ ସାହୁ, ବିନୋଦିନୀ ସାହୁ, ରୋହିତ କୁମାର ପଣ୍ଡା, ରୋହିତ କୁମାର ପଣ୍ଡା।
Yes, sir.
Okay, good afternoon,
Yes, sir.
Rohit.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon.
Uh, so, while we are talking about metadata or taking those metadata to create a database, so the metadata contains what types of objects?
Sir, the metadata first we have to know that metadata is data of data or data about data.
Data about data.
Generally, it contains audio, video, or text type of data.
Okay, 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 okay. So, please tell what is data structure?
So, data structure is usually used in DBMS, which hierarchically form or structural form of data. That means we can structure one by one so that we can easily access the data when we retrieve it.
Okay, 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 okay. Very good, very good. Thank you, thank you. Next.
ଭବାନୀ ଶଙ୍କର ସାହୁ, ଭବାନୀ ଶଙ୍କର ସାହୁ।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Bhavani.
Good afternoon,
Please
sir.
tell what type of language we are using while creating a database, collecting, searching, sorting, or what type
Excuse
of
me, sir.
language?
Sir, Binodini Sahu.
Yes.
ୟା ପରେ ଆସିବ, ୟା ପରେ ଡାକିବି, ୟା ପରେ ଡାକିବି।
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା।
Sorry, sir.
Bhavani, please tell. Then next one, while you are searching in internet, so if you want to become a member of certain groups which
Sir.
is available in internet platform, then what is the procedure or what the steps you have to do to become a member within that group?
Sir, first join କରିବା ଆମେ ସେ group ରେ।
ଯେ କେମିତି ଜଏନ୍ କରିବ? ମୁଁ ତ ସେଇ କଥା ପଚାରୁଛି ନା, ତମେ ଜଏନ୍ କରିବା ପାଇଁ କଣ କଣ ପ୍ରୋସିଜର?
ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟଲି ସେ ସାଇଟ୍ କେ ଯିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ, ସେଥିରେ ଜଏନ୍ କରିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ। Then we can join.
Okay. Okay. Next.
Good
Good
afternoon, sir.
afternoon. Please tell what is data retrieval?
The files whatever we retrieve from the database, that is called file retrieval.
What is data integrity?
The files which are used for different types of database management system.
So can you tell one or two name of different databases?
Yes, sir. That is Seth Ganga 3 and Seth Ganga.
Okay. Thank you. Thank
Thank you,
you.
sir.
ଶିବ
Next.
ପ୍ରସାଦ ସାହୁ, ଶିବ ପ୍ରସାଦ ସାହୁ।
Sir, namaskar, sir.
Namaskar. Okay. Please tell what is the advantage of RAID in database system? RAID technology, RAID. What is the advantage of RAID?
Sir, by RAID technology, we can combine different storage devices into single storage.
Okay.
So that data can be accessed easily.
Okay. So, what do you mean by binary search in database system?
Sir, binary search
Binary search.
In binary search, we can use multiple keywords or multiple words to search from the database.
ନାଇଁ ଏଇଟା ଟିକେ ଅଲଗା ହେଇଗଲା। ଏଇଟା ଟିକେ ଅଲଗା ହେଇଯାଉଛି ଅବଶ୍ୟ ମାନେ ଯୋଉ ସେନ୍ସ ଅଫ ଇଏରେ କହୁଛ ସେଟା ମାନେ ଠିକ ରହୁଛି କିନ୍ତୁ ଏକ୍ଜାକ୍ଟଲି ଯାହା କହୁଛ ସେଇଟା ନୁହେଁ ହେଲା କି ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ବାଇନାରୀ ସର୍ଚ୍ଚ ହଉଛି ଯେ ୟୁ ହାଭ ଟୁ ସର୍ଚ୍ଚ ହାଫ୍ ୱେ ଅଫ ଦ୍ୟାଟ ଡାଟାବେସ୍ that is binary. You have to search the half way of that database is called binary search. ଆଉ ଯୋଉଟା ହେଲେ କହିଲ ସେଇଟା ହଉଛି ତମର compound query. Compound query when we are going to ask multiple questions at a time to a database, that is called compound query. More than one terms or more than one words can be used at a time to ask something to a database, that is compound query. The binary search is you have to search half way of that database within a period of time, that is binary search.
Binary search, sir.
Okay,
sir.
Thank you
sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Next,
Rashmita Patra.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
So, can you please tell what is internet?
Internet is electronic system that can many information found in internet.
The different search engines are available in our platform or internet platform. So, what is the benefit of using different search engines? So, what you can find or what is the benefit of using different search engines in internet sources? Okay. Next.
Shraddhanjali Sahu. Priyanka Lenka. Chandini Kumari Sahu.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon, sir. Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
So, the same question is to you. We are using different search engines in our internet platform.
Yes, sir.
So, what is the benefit of using different search engines?
Sir, in different search engines, they are getting different informations.
Okay, different information. So, can you tell one or two name of the search engine?
Yes, sir. Google and Yahoo, Rediffmail, MSN, Chrome, etc.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Next.
Lingaraj Naik. Sanjukta Kumari Das.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good afternoon.
Sir, Namaskar, sir. Good afternoon.
Okay. Good afternoon. Please tell, while you are going to attach different files in your email, while you are sending some information or to contact your friends or some other people, and you want to attach some files. within your mail. So how you can attach?
So first we have to make the files in G file. Then we'll select the file and attach in our Gmail. Then we can send.
Okay, okay. So what do you mean by data retrieval?
Data retrieval means means data obtained from the database, like that. Means ଆମେ ମାନେ database management data collect କରିକି.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Sonali Arpita.
sir ମୋର sir
ହଁ
hello sir ମୋର
ଲିଙ୍ଗରାଜ ନାୟକ
ହଁ sir ପଳେଇ ଯାଇଛି।
କୁହ।
Okay, okay. Lingaraj.
Good afternoon sir. Good afternoon sir.
Priyanka, I will come to you again. Lingaraj.
हाँ sir नमस्कार sir.
Namaskar, namaskar. You tell what do you mean by data integrity?
Sir
What do you mean by data integrity?
sir data integrity is the maintain of data in the assurance of the data accuracy and consistency over its enter in our lifestyle circle sir.
Okay, can you name one or two databases?
Sir
Can you tell one or two names of different databases? One or two?
sir databases are Oracle or Alta Vista.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Lingaraj.
Sir thank you
Next,
sir.
Sir, Priyanka Linka.
Priyanka.
ନାଇଁ
Sir,
ନାଇଁ
Shraddhanjali Sahu.
ସୋନାଲି ଅର୍ପିତା ଅଛନ୍ତି।
Yes, sir. Sir, Shraddhanjali Sahu.
ସୋନାଲି ଅର୍ପିତା କହିସାରନ୍ତୁ ତାପରେ ଦେଖିବା।
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍ ଟିକେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ନେଟୱାର୍କ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ହଉଛି ତ କଟି ଯାଉଛି ବାରମ୍ବାର।
ହଁ ହଁ ହଁ।
ସୋନାଲି ଅର୍ପିତା।
Yes, sir.
Sonali.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please tell one or two names of the database.
Sir, network database, centralized database, operational database, distributed database.
Okay. So what is the criteria to choose a database? What criteria you have to follow while you are going to choose a database?
No idea, sir.
No idea. Okay, thank you. Next.
ପ୍ରିୟଙ୍କା ଲେଖା।
Priyanka, can you tell what is the criteria to choose a database? No.
No
So
idea.
what do you mean by binary search? Within a database, while we are going to search a database, so within a database, so what is the meaning or what we can feel while telling binary search? No.
Sir, binary search works on store array.
No, store array रे तो हुए किंतु what does it mean while searching the database?
So it is a fast searching.
Okay. Then what is the use of your email? You are creating your email account and you have also your email account. So what is the use of your email account?
Sir,
Why?
contact people all over the world. Send some documents to others and communicate with more than one person at a time.
Okay, okay, Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Next.
Thank you, sir.
Shraddhanjali Sahu.
Yes, sir.
Shraddhanjali.
Again, sir.
So what is the benefit or the advantage of using RAID technology in database? No. What is the full form of DBMS?
Database management system.
Okay. Then what is the criteria? ଯେମିତି କି ଧର ମୁଁ ହେଲେ ତମକୁ କହିଲି ଯେ ତମେ ଗୋଟେ ଡାଟାବେସ୍ ଚୁଜ୍ କର ହେଲା ତମେ ମାନେ କୋଉ କ୍ରାଇଟେରିଆ କୁ ବେସ୍ କରିକି ମାନେ ତମେ ଗୋଟେ ଡାଟାବେସ୍ ଚୁଜ୍ କରିବ व्हाट इज द क्राइटेरिया टू चूज ए डाटाबेस ମାନେ କଣ स्टेप ମାନେ କଣ ମାନେ ଆମକୁ ମାନେ जो ଦେଖିବାକୁ पड़े while we are choosing a database
Sir, first go to Google search, then type the
okay okay
Shalini Sone. Shalini Sone. Neha Patnaik. Neha Patnaik.
Yes, sir.
good afternoon Neha
Yes, sir. Very good afternoon.
so please tell what is the meaning of data integrity
Sir, data integrity means at a time multiple users can access the data, but only one user can change that data. That is the data integrity.
okay what is the meaning of multi-user access
Multi-user access can be accessible by multiple users in database management system. It will be modifying or customizing data by multiple users at a time.
so can you tell one or two names of database
Sir, in library information science, there are multiple databases. Example is Scoopus, and next is Web of Science, and Science Direct, and Sodh Ganga and Sodh Gangotri of the repository system of InfluNet. That is the most
okay thank you
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
okay
Rajkishore Sahu. Rajkishore Sahu.
राजकिशोर साहू तो बोलते जाइछि पंडा बाबू
ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଥରେ ଡବଲ ଡାକୁଛି ଯୋଉମାନେ ଆବସେଣ୍ଟ ଅଛନ୍ତି
ଓହୋ ଆବସେଣ୍ଟ ଅଛି
ବିନୋଦ ମହାମାନ ସିଂ
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ओके
Yes, sir. Namaskar.
नमस्कार
Yeah.
विनोद
Again, sir.
you please tell what is the meaning of internet so what you feel or what you think about internet
Internet, actually, sir, internet is a global computer network provide a variety of information in a library and information society or other society.
माने खाली लाइब्रेरी एंड इंफॉर्मेशन साइंस फील्ड रे ही हमें इंटरनेट यूज करछे आ अन्य कोठी नहीं हेलो नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम बदे हां
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
अकुआ
Sir, internet is a globally computer network
हाँ
provide a variety of information provide a variety of information, and it is also used in a library and information society and other society also.
okay so what is the criteria to choose a database while I am asking you to choose a database for your organization.
Sir, if
Suppose you,
we choose a database, if a librarian as a industrial research center as a librarian, so we choose according to the users, like a users like for example, like a agricultural librarian use a agriculture database for his users satisfaction.
exactly. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next.
अभिषेक रथ अभिषेक रथ सुनीता पलाई सुनीता पलाई सौरभ छत्रिया सौरभ छत्रिया संजय कुमार प्रधान संजय कुमार प्रधान सोनम अभिषिका
सर बिहू प्रकाश रही कि सर
Yes, sir.
बिहू प्रकाश तांडी
नहीं जाइए
तो सर आगे
नहीं जाइए
आगे आगे ठीक
सोनम अभिषिका
Yes, sir. Sorry. Shit.
କୁଆଡେ ତମେ ଯାଉଛ ଏଇ ଚାରି ଛଅଟା ଯାଉଛ
Yes, sir.
Are you there?
Yes, sir.
So please tell what is the criteria while I will ask you to choose a database. Suppose you are working in an organization,
Yes, sir.
so I will ask you to choose a database for your organization. So how
Yes, sir.
you can choose, or what is the criteria to choose a database for your organization?
So, sorry, it is based on the subject. Like if the user is a science student, he or she may go for science direct or sci-fi. Sorry, sorry.
Oh, you are not feeling well.
Oh, actually, I'm COVID positive.
COVID positive.
Yeah, sir. Sorry.
So where are you now?
I'm
In home isolation or admitted to any hospital?
no, home isolation.
Home isolation. You are taking medicine.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you,
Oh,
sir, for your concern.
okay.
Sorry.
नेक्स्ट सर नेक्स्ट
हाँ
मनस्विनी पंडा
Thank you, sir.
मनस्विनी पंडा दीपक कुमार महापात्र आ गोटे अछि स्मितांजलि दास राजकिशोर साहू
Yes, sir. Smitanjal Das.
कुआड
Okay.
जाउछ
Smita. Hello. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Please tell how to create your email account. You want to create a email account of your own. So how you can create your email account? Hello. So network problem is there, I think. Next.
ଆଉ सर नाहंती के
ଆଉ ନାହାନ୍ତି?
ନାଇଁ सर
Oh.
ठीक टाइम रे हमर सरला ठीक टाइम रे सरला ठीक असना सर सरला तो बंद कर दबा पुनी आधा घंटा रेस्ट ले ना पुनी बिलीव रे 6 टा 9 टा चलबो
ओ बिलीव रे पुनी 6 न ओके ठीक अछि ताले मु बंद करछि
आज्ञा सर
ओके
हेलो आज्ञा थैंक यू सर के हेलो असाइनमेंट सबमिट कर देछो ना हार्ड कॉपी ना नहीं
सर हमें सेंड करछु पोस्टल ले
अच्छा हाउ
सर
ठीक
पोस्टल
अछि
सेंड कर दी लास्ट
सिनो
डेट
से ब्रो ପଠେଇ ଦେଇଛ ସିଆଡେ ସିନୋପିସ୍?
ସାର୍ ସିନୋପସିସ୍ ପଠେଇନି।
ସିନୋପିସ୍
ସାର୍ ମେନ୍
ପଠେଇଛ ସିନୋପିସ୍ ପଠେଇଲେ ପ୍ରୋଜେକ୍ଟ ପୁଣି କରିବ। ଆଉ ସେମିନାର
ମେନ୍
ତକ କରିକି ପୋଷ୍ଟ କରିଦବ ସ୍ପିଡ ପୋଷ୍ଟ ହେଲା।
ସାର୍ ଏଇ ସେମିନାର ହେଇ ସାରିଲା ପରେ ପୋଷ୍ଟାଲରେ ପଠେଇଲେ ଚଳିବ କି?
ହଁ ହଁ ସେମିନାର ହେଇସାରୁ ପଠେଇବ, କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା ନାହିଁ। କିନ୍ତୁ ନିହାତି ପଠେଇବ, ନ ପଠେଇଲେ ଅସୁବିଧା ହବ ହେଲା।
ହଁ ସାର୍
ହାତରେ
ପଠେଇଦେବୁ
ଲେଖିଲେ
ସେମିନାର।
ହାତରେ ଲେଖିଲେ
ହଁ
ଟିକେ ଭଲ, ଯଦି ନ ଲେଖିବ ହାତରେ ଲେଖିକି ଦେଲେ ଟିକେ ଭଲ ହେଲା।
ସାର୍
ଓକେ
ବାଇଣ୍ଡିଂ କେମିତି ହବ?
ସେମିନାର ଯେମିତି କରିବ ଚଳିବ, କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା ନାହିଁ ହେଲା। ସବୁଠୁ ସୁବିଧା ତମକୁ ଯେମିତି ସୁବିଧା ହଉଛି କର ହେଲା। ସେମିନାର ଟା ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ଷ୍ଟାପଲିଂ କର, ସେଲୋଟେପ ମାରିଦିଅ ହେଲା।
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍।
ହଉ ରଖୁଛି।
ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ।
ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ ସାର୍।
ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ ସାର୍।